Good morning, student. Okay, so here today we have to see chapter number 5, that is the inside the atom. Up to now we are studying about the different type of substances. If we take, so one word actually we are here, that is the atom. Okay, that word we are actually here in the last some standards. Okay, atom are generally, if we see the definition of atom, so definition of atoms is tells us that the smallest indivisible part of any material is simply called as a atom. What? Smallest and indivisible means it is that much small part of any substance. Further, we can't differentiate it. Okay. Further, we can't break it. Okay. So it is the smallest part of any substance. We can't break it. That is simply called as a what? Atom. Now, in this chapter, we have to study the total about this atom. Actually, we know this atom is the smallest indivisible part, but actually, how is a atom is made up of? Okay, actually, what are the different constituent part of the atoms? How that atom is made up of? Okay, and actually, which are the different parts of the atom from that they are made up of? That part we have to see total in this chapter inside the atom. Actually, how the atom is formed, that we have to see in this chapter. Further, directly go towards the atom. First, we have to revise the that part we have studied into some last standards. Okay. So first of all, we know here one chart is given in first page of our book. Okay, in that page we know actually that part I think we have studied in the last lecture. Actually, what is the formula of substance, what are the atom, what are the molecule. Okay, actually atom is what simply that is the smallest indivisible part that I already told you. So now molecule is what? If two or more atoms come together. Okay, if two or more atoms come together, then what happen? Molecules of an substance is formed. When two or more atoms are come to each other. Okay, example is here O2. Okay, now O2 means what? Two oxygen atoms are combined with each other to form one molecule of this oxygen. Okay, actually what happened? Two oxygens are combined. O2 means what? Two oxygens. Okay, two oxygens are joined together, are bond together to form one stable oxygen compound. Okay, so that's we call as a simply molecule. What? Two or more atoms combine each other, at that time what happen? Molecule is formed. Example here. So now actually in this topic, in this chart, what we have to do? This chart is given, first column is given for the name of substance. Okay, different name of substances are given here. Then formula of that substance is given here. Also, how many atoms in that substance are present, that we have to write here. Okay, so also how many molecules means nature of that substance is of one atom, means only one type of atoms are present here, only one atom is present of the substance here. So we have to take here, if molecule of that substance is present, then we have to take here same atom in molecule. Okay, if molecule is there, then if same atoms are there or not. Here H2, hydrogen and oxygen are present. So here simply different types of atom are present in that molecule. So we have to find out if same type of atom are there or different type of atom are there. According to that, we have to tick in that chart. And next, according to that, these substances are divided into two parts. Okay, what? Element and compound. First of all, we have to know about element and compound. Okay. So now, first of all, we have to see what is the element, and next is compound. Okay, element. What are the elements? So you have to remember that element are such substances in that only one type of atoms are present. What? Only one type of atoms are present in an element. Okay, you have to remember that thing. Then next is compound. Okay, what happens in compound? Two or more types of atoms are present. Two or more type of atoms are present in the compound. Element are what? Only one type of atoms are present, then such a substance is called as a element. And if two or more type of atoms are present in substance, then such a substances are called as a compound. You have to remember the difference. Element are what? Only one type of atoms, and compound are what? Two or more types of atoms may be present there, then such substances are called as a compound. So now today we have to see the how the given substances are classified according to element and compound. Okay, so that actually we have to find out given substance is compound or element. So first example is water. Okay, if we see the formula of water, just here we have to observe formula. Formula tells us that which type of substance is given here. Okay, water formula is H2O. Means here two atoms of hydrogens and one atom of oxygen are bond together, combined together to form one molecule of water. Okay, it is a molecule because one or more atoms are two or more atoms are combined with each other to form this substance. So this is molecule. So here two different types of atoms are present. So first of all, next type we have to see, next column, it is one atom is given in that substance. Only one atom is here? No. Two oxygen and one, that is a total three atoms are there. So it is not one atom in this formula. Okay, so next is, it is molecule. It is molecule. Yes, it is molecule because two or more atoms are combined to each other to form this substance water. So it is a molecule. Next is same atom in molecule. There are, if you see, this is a one molecule of water, H2O. To the formation of one molecule of water, we need two hydrogen and one oxygen. So here only one same atoms are there? No, there are two types of atom. Hydrogen is also there and oxygen is also there. So these are the not same type of atoms in this molecule. Next is different types of atom in molecule. S. Hydrogen, it is a one type of molecule, and oxygen, it is different type of molecule. So two different types of atoms are combined here to each other. So it is, we have to tick here, yes, it is the different types of atoms in the molecule. And if we know, I already told you the difference of element and compound. Element are what? Simply single types of atom are there, then that called as a element. And if two or more types of atoms are present there, then such substances are called as a compound. Here what happened? Two or more types of atoms are there, so that is why this substance is not compound. So such a way that next substance we have to divide, differentiate, we have to find out whether it is a molecule or whether it is a element or compound, that is the oxygen. If you see the formula of oxygen, molecular formula, that is the O2. Okay, it means two different types of oxygens are combined with each other. Okay, then that's O2 molecule is formed. So here only one atom is present? No, there are two atoms of oxygen are present. So this is not. Next it is molecule S. It is molecule because two oxygen are combined with each other. Okay, so that is why it is what? It is a molecule of oxygen. Then same atom in molecule. Okay, if it is molecule but the atoms are combined with each other, or same or not? S. Here is same. Two oxygens are combined with each other. So we have to tick here again, same atom in the molecule. And if different types, no, here are, we can't do here. And I tell you, if same types of atoms are present, then such substances are called as a element. So oxygen is a what? Element, because same types of atoms are given there. Next example is helium. Okay, if you see formula helium, there is only He, only one atom is present there. So here one atom S, only one atom is present there. Here is a molecule, no. If two or more atoms are combined each other, then we called it molecule. But here only one atom is there, so it is not a molecule, it is only one atom. So we have to stick in the column of one atom in front of helium. So it is molecule, not. Same atom in a molecule. Okay, so yes, there is same atom is present over here. Okay, which is the same types of atom is there. So if same type of atom is there, then it is also called as a element. Okay, so such a way that helium is an element which having only one atom. Okay, that is the formula of helium. Next is hydrogen. If you see formula of a hydrogen, that is the H2. Okay, means two hydrogens are combined with each other, then this H2 is formed. 2 means what? Two atoms. Two atoms of hydrogen are come together to form hydrogen. Now here, if you see, only one atom is here. No, here are two atoms of hydrogens are there. So it is the what? Molecule. If two or more atoms are come together, then it called as a molecule. Next, same atom in molecule S, hydrogen, hydrogen. Two hydrogen are there, so it is the same molecule, same atoms in a molecule. And if only one types of atoms are there, then such substances are called as a element. Okay, so such a way that we can categorize the substances whether they are element or compound according to basis of how many types of atoms are present there, whether they are same type of atom or different types of atoms. Next example is ammonia. Formula of ammonia is NH3. Okay, so here only one atom is there. No, there are one nitrogen and three hydrogen, so four atoms are there. So this is not a one atom. Next is it is molecule S. Two or more types of substances are combined with each other, then they are called as a molecule. So here same atom in molecule, atoms are same. No, nitrogen is a one type of atom and hydrogen is another type. So this is not a same type of atom in the molecule. Then different type of molecule, yes, different types of atoms are present in this molecule. So if different types of atoms are combined to form a molecule of a substance, then such substances are called as a compound. Okay, what? They are called as a compound. So such a way that we can categorize the given substance according to the basis of how many types of atoms are there. Okay, if there is only one type atom or two type atoms. Okay, if only one type of atoms are there, then the substances are called as an element. If two or more type of atoms are there, then the substances are called as a compound. Okay, so some other example is also given here. That is the methane is also one that we see another example. Okay, methane. Okay, formula of methane is CH4. Now here only one atom is there in the formula. No, 4 hydrogen and 1 carbon, total 5 atoms are there. So this is not only one atom. Then it is molecule S. Okay, two different type of substance atoms are combined with each other here to form one molecule. That is why it is a molecule of a methane. Then same atom in molecule, same atom, carbon is another type, hydrogen is another type. So these are the different types of atoms. So we can take here, these are the different types of atoms are present in a molecule. And next is whether it is element or compound. If different types of what? These elements are present, different types of atoms are present in one molecule, then such substances are called as a compound. Okay, so such a way that we can categorize the given substances, element or compound, on the basis of which types of atoms are present in their formula. If only one type of same similar types of atoms are there, then they are element, and if different types of atoms are present there, then they are called as a compound. Okay, so such a way that we can categorize the given substances. So in that chart, another 4 or 6 examples are given there. Okay, one chlorine example is given, neon example, argon, nitrogen. Okay, these 4 examples still remaining of that chart that you have to complete. Okay, but completing that examples, only one thing you have to remember: how many types of atoms are given. You have to just see this formula. Hydrogen is a one type, oxygen is a one type, so 2 types of substances, 2 type of different atoms are combined with each other here. So simply, if 1 or 2 or more types of atoms are combined with each other, at that time the substances are directly called as a compound. Here again, only 1 type of atoms are present, so this is element. Here helium, only 1 type of atoms, element. H2 means what? Only hydrogen is there, so it is also element. Ammonia, N and H, nitrogen and hydrogen are combined with each other. 2 different types of atoms are combined with each other, so it is compound. Directly just you have to observe this formula. CH4, that is the methane. Here carbon and hydrogen, 2 different types of atoms are there, so again it is what? Compound. So such a way that on the basis of how many types of atoms are there in the molecular formula of any substance, we can categorize them according to element or compound. If only 1 type of similar atoms are present, then they are called as a element, and if 2 or more types of atoms are combined with each other, then such substances are called as a compound. Okay, so remaining part of this chapter we will see in next lecture. Thank you.